Hello and welcome back to our channel Azarines Academy. Is your career a dinosaur? What dinosaur means? You will see there is a photo where the Google office is there and at the entrance there is a skeleton of a dinosaur. What exactly it demonstrates? It means evolving, adapting and change are all essential for survival. और जो सबसे बड़ा इशू डायनासोर के साथ था, it could not adapt with the atmosphere. Therefore it has become extinct from this world. आज डायनासोर्स हमको नहीं मिलता, दूसरे जानवर और बर्ड्स मिल जाते हैं क्योंकि उसने एटमॉस्फेयर के साथ अपने आप को एडजस्ट नहीं किया. उसी हिसाब से क्या आपका करियर भी डायनासोर है? क्या आप करियर को एटमॉस्फेयर के हिसाब से चेंज कर रहे हैं? See, the biggest players of the world are by innovations only. These are within top 10 companies of the world. टेक्नोलॉजी में माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, एप्पल और एनवीडिया. इसी तरह से ई कॉमर्स में ऑनलाइन बाइंग एंड सेलिंग में अमेज़ॉन और सोशल मीडिया फॉर श्योर मेटा प्लेटफॉर्म विच इज़ यूज्ड बाय फेसबुक एंड इंस्टाग्राम फॉर सोशल मीडिया. You see, you have to explore the world. You only win if you innovate faster than the players in the rest of the system. Innovation को किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है? वो है क्यूरियोसिटी, हमारे अंदर तजस्सुस, एक बेचैनी किसी चीज़ को ढूंढने की, विलिंगनेस टू लर्न, बीइंग ओके टू बी रॉन्ग. क्योंकि इनोवेशंस में बहुत जगह आप गलत भी साबित होते हो, पर आपको दोबारा बाउंस बैक करना है. It is often unpredictable, surprising and messy. Therefore, people do not want to go towards that. What do we find easy to do? Our school going and college going students are more capable of doing the innovations, but they go towards being CA, MBA, doctor, engineer and advocate. We have to ask ourselves, really the world requires these many professionals in these professions? We need to change our habits. Are we learning anything new today? Are we sitting in the library to read books? Are we really sitting with the professionals of our area of interest to ask something new and learn something new, to understand what world is expecting from us? Otherwise, we will also become, our profession will become extinct and we will not be able to do anything. Are we looking for the dishes and new restaurants and dhabas instead of looking what world wants from us? New gaming apps. If you are already in IT, don't be happy because it is changing every single day. No traditional job will survive. I was listening to an interview of NVIDIA founder. He has very precisely said that everybody in this world is a programmer. And the credit goes to AI. Earlier, the language of a human being was not understandable by the system. It required a different language. The programmers were there only to give the inputs in a different language, but they are no more required. The job has gone. The system understands the plain English and accordingly it takes the instructions and gives us the best of output. Therefore, we don't have to be extinct. We have to think, do we need to go into the traditional professions? This is Azhar signing off. Thanks a lot.